Jesus Christ. Hold on.
Fast run.
Henry. You're not even big.
It's just a habit, buddy. Just keep putting stuff in there.
Mommy said I could put the rock in there. Whoa. I'll say what happened.
All right, buddy. You just can't drop
Now be careful,
stuff
Daddy.
on there.
Remember that thing is, if it gets hot enough, it'll start bending.
Man, that thing's slow.
Carefully smoking, it's just burning. It sounds like a real fire, not a fake fire.
Mom,
It's like a fake fire.
can you take a picture of my new park and me?
You gonna put that in there?
That's too far away. Hold on.
What do you think, buddy?
Closer.
Okay. I got it, son. I want you to help me out when I need help. Not just when it's something fun for you to do.
Mom, yeah, hang around. Here. That you got a triple phone.
No longer.
Okay, it's filling up even more.
Would that be a split face page?
On my Instant No Planet book.
No Planet. And that was Instagram, Black Planet, and what else?
Okay, I see his picture.
Instant No, my what is it? My Instant No Planet book. What do you want to see?
I can't send that to Papa.
They'll see it.
No, can't send it today.
Hmm?
So we'll be sending it there today.
You wanna get it?
Cell service is not great.
I want to get him in class. I'm going to try to get him in.
I'm gonna put it around that one.
Huh?
I saw that at the visitor center.
Yeah. No. It's a little nature building that was next door.
I'm saying the nature center.
Yeah.
I see a squirrel next to it.
That's easy. Not spraying it.
Eat that too. They know that.
Yeah.